Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by signing into the OneDrive account that owns the folder. This ensures permissions you set will apply. Once signed in, open OneDrive on the web or navigate the synced folder in File Explorer so you can right-click the correct folder. Make a quick decision now about sharing scope. Do you want a view-only link, an edit link, or to invite specific people? Deciding this up front prevents rework and keeps access secure as you proceed to generate the sharing link. You now create the share by right-clicking the folder and selecting Share, or by using the Share button in the OneDrive web interface. Once the Share dialog appears, choose Link Settings. Select View versus Edit, set an expiration date or password when required, and toggle whether recipients can forward the link. If you prefer targeted access, type recipients' emails and assign permissions. Otherwise, copy the generated link for broader distribution. Make sure to review permissions before sending to avoid unintentional access. You finish by sending the invite emails or pasting the copied link into chat or calendar invites. Include a brief note about intended access level. Once done, verify the share works by opening the link in an incognito window or asking a colleague to confirm they can open and, if allowed, edit files. If someone reports they can't access the folder, check that you didn't limit sharing to specific domains, confirm the folder is fully synced, and then recheck the recipient's email address and permission type.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.